So I will now show you the robot in action. Here we go. So basically this screen, you're never going to see this screen. It's behind the scene. That's what's going on. You really don't need to use it whatsoever. But it's, good to take a look at it once to see what's going on, how the robot reacts and everything. So basically the Forex is like the stock market or whatever financial market you're investing in. You have blue candles, we call that candles, when the price is going up, and you have red candles when the price is going down. All right, and as you can see here, the price is changing all the time. It's a constant struggle between buyers and sellers and everything. So every time the price changes, which is way more often than once per second, the robot analyzes if there's a good opportunity to either buy or sell. So that's how it goes. So I'm just going to go a little bit forward until the robot begins to make a transaction. And here we are. Our robot, as you can see, placed an order right here at the green line. He bought some currencies, and it places a red line, which is our profit target if it's over the green line. So since the red light is under, for now, it limits our risk. If it goes under the red line, then we're going to have a loss. So let's see how it goes. So it's going up roughly where the robot said it will go up to now. Let's keep going. That's a good thing about a robot. You don't have to, look at graphs all day analyzing. That's getting boring. And when you have three pair to manage at the same time, then it gets difficult. Plus, a lot of stuff happens during the night where you're supposed to sleep, right? So yeah, that's a lot better with a robot. So the robot placed a second order saying the price is gonna go down. So now you see the red line is rising. So now our risk is, way less than it was at the beginning. So let's see how it's gonna go. Each candle represents 15 minutes, by the way. So it means one candle like this is 15 minutes. This one is 15 minutes, etc. So it looks like the price is going down. But we'll see. So our first transaction is over, and we did a loss here, but a very small loss compared to what it was. It could have been this. So we got, a lot less loss than we expected. Then we'll see. And we have a second loss here. Okay, so we're starting with two losses, but that's okay. That does happen. That's not a big deal. So let's go to the next transaction. So, okay, the robot just bought it. Again, as you can see, our red line already moved. It went quite fast. So it's good. Right now, since the red line is below the green one, it's still a loss, but we'll see. Our red line is moving. That's good. It's going to cross over the green line, which means profit. As you can see, the market is moving way faster than it was at the beginning. And that's it. Our red line went over the green line. So now we have a profit for sure. Let's see how much profit. As you can see, sometimes the market moves really fast. And right now we have a whole bunch of profit here. And it's not over. So we'll see what's going to happen. Well, the more the red line is moving, the more profit we're doing. So that's good. And it's moving again and again. Oh, it just went way higher than before, right? That's quite impressive. If you look at the two little loss we had here compared to the profit we're doing right now, that's really good. And at that point, the robot is saying it's going to go down. So it took a second transaction at the same time. But we're still making a lot of profit here. So that's good. It looks like the robot is true. It's going to go down, but we'll see. And you know, it went up. So our profit here went up. This one made a little loss again. And now it seems like it's going well. Our red line moved again. We have a second red line that just appeared. And here we are. So that's what the robot looks like. There's nothing really exciting about all this, but it works automatically while you sleep, while you're doing something else, or whatever you want to do. So I'm going to go on fast forward to the end of the month to show you the result for the whole month. Okay, so now we can go on our trading platform, and when we can see the graph of our profit and losses. So you see, we started at $10,000 and we finished the month with 16,872 bucks in our account, roughly. That's roughly 6,800 bucks profit. So we have a graph. And you can have a report as well, like this, where it's going to tell you you had 10,000 at the beginning. So you did a gross profit of $14,415 and you lost a gross loss of $7,800. So you did a net profit of 6,587 bucks and 61 cents. I hope that's 65% in 1 month. Of course, not all the months are going to be like this. It would be too awesome, but it's giving us a report. So now we're going to show you the results, and in order to put all these results together, we had to pull out over 400 graphs and reports like this. So it took a really long time. So now we're ready to go to the next video where we're going to show you the results.